Mr. Usman Izad, CEO of Global Health Choices, introduces a vision of possibility. Based on his linkage with the National Mentorship Office, led by Mr. Chika Silva Oligim, Global Health Choices is proud to present an opportunity to meet the growing needs for quality health care and continued economic development for the city of Abuja and for Nigeria. American businessman Usman Izad, the CEO of Global Health Choices, is an internationally renowned expert on healthcare and telemedicine. Based on his recent appointment by the Nigerian government and their National Business Mentorship Program, Global Health Choices proudly introduces to Mr. President, His Excellency, ideas to help with his vision of a secure Nigeria with a strong economy. We ask you to consider Global Health Choices for a strategic partnership with possibilities for the Abuja Healthcare City. Abuja Healthcare City is being designed as part of the Healthcare Assurance Scheme with the National Mentorship Program. It has been adopted as the key healthcare delivery project for the Learn America, Do America, LADA, Nigeria project, which is currently supported by the U.S. Embassy for Peace, Global Health Choices, the U.S. Department of Commerce, and Department of State. This recommendation is based on our understanding of the following three critical factors. Critical factor number 1, Abuja population will grow from 3 million to over 6 million by 2035, making it one of the fastest growing cities in Africa and the world. Nigeria is one of the fastest growing countries in the world, and by 2047 is forecasted to become the third largest populated nation. With this unprecedented growth comes an ever-increasing demand for sustainable healthcare. Critical factor number 2, most of the Nigerian population base is young. There is huge growth opportunity for the country to take advantage of the economic dividends that a young, dynamic population could bring in the future. Creating an environment for job opportunities with higher skill levels and training is vital for the economy. We feel healthcare can become another bridge for the country's future wealth. Critical factor number 3 is the already existing commitment to infrastructure and economic development and the desired continuation of Abuja's master plan to be a first-class and inclusive city. Abuja, the first African-made capital city in the heart of all of Africa, one of the wealthiest cities in Africa, with an easy, accessible transport system, a world-class convention center, promoting the arts and culture, a growing hospitality industry, a city that welcomes the international communities that is open to private investors and strategic partnerships. These three critical factors provide the strong foundation for great possibilities for the Abuja Healthcare City. Using existing models from the Dubai Healthcare City and the Eterna Healthcare City in Cairo, Egypt, imagine Abuja Healthcare City being the center of new innovation in healthcare for Abuja, for all of Nigeria, and eventually an innovative medical hub for all of Africa, having a state-of-the-art healthcare city on over 2,000 planned hectares. Abuja Healthcare City, with world-class facilities, specialized hospitals, telemedicine clinics, diversified medical centers, medical labs, radiology centers, pharmacies, medical schools, malls, hotels, residences, over 40,000 created jobs, healthcare meeting U.S. standards and protocols. Imagine attracting healthcare companies, doctors, and nurses from all over the world who want to be part of the innovation of the Abuja Healthcare City. This vision of possibilities are all based on phases. This project will be an ongoing work in progress over the next 10 years, beginning with Phase 1 construction, which includes a hospital, the home of primary care centers via telemedicine to serve the remote areas of Nigeria, a hotel, a mall, and residential facilities for providers and staff of the hospital. Phase 2 will expand the project development to be able to support the healthcare needs of all of Nigeria. And in Phase 3, expansion will provide the depth of resources to serve as a medical hub for all of Africa. During this entire process, the Abuja Healthcare City will receive tremendous PR, and media exposure on regional, international, and on American major networks such as NBC, CBS, ABC, Fox, and CNN, in addition to top media platforms and digital content distributions. All PR, marketing, branding will be supported with both TV news stories, videos, print campaigns, exposure and awareness campaigns. This is all part of the creative media strategy to attract investors, healthcare partners, doctors, and desirable strategic partners from the international community. The Abuja healthcare city, in addition to attracting vast foreign direct investment, will also be funded by the Oil for Healthcare initiative by highly privileged mentee companies, HPMCs, in fulfillment of Mr. President, His Excellency's Executive Order 5 to achieve a combination of international best expertise and Nigeria content development. Global Health Choices desires to help Mr. President, His Excellency, with his vision for a safe and strong country with continued economic growth opportunities. We are ready to assist and advance healthcare in Nigeria for the future with the Abuja Healthcare City.